Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. For those who are new, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. For today's video we are doing a unboxing. Yay! Well, the box is already open as you can tell, but I'm really excited for this video. So if you like to shop at Forever 21 and would like to see all the new goodies that they have, stay with me. I've been sponsored by Forever 21 to do a video on patterns, so everything that I'm going to show you is like kind of different patterns that I've got. First off, it's this cute cheetah print. Oh my god, it is a long silk look-alike material in a cheetah print. It's just like the perfect print. As you can see, it doesn't look cheap at all like the other prints, and I think it's a fun skirt to have for summer. You could easily pair it with a t-shirt, a jean jacket with some boots, or even high heels. It's absolutely one of my favorites. I got this cute dress in a gingham print, pink and white. It's such a girly dress. I really like the cleavage, how it is made, and it's like so easy to wear. You could just throw on a jean jacket or even just a belt on top to add some more style on it. You guys know how I feel about bodysuits and also jumpsuit. I actually adore them. So I got a striped one, long legs with a loose fit, we could say, and you have like a belt at the waist in the same material, and the back is open. I'm so in love with this. It's such a nice style to have, and even though it's a whole outfit, you can wear it as many times possible in many ways possible. I got a striped set, which is a short, you can see. It's kind of a linen material in yellow and white, but I also had it with the belt blazer. What I really like about this blazer is that you have an elastic in the back that really makes it more tailored, and it is light, long sleeve, but you could roll up the sleeve. And what I like about set, you guys already know, is that you could wear either them both together and really like be dressed up, or you could just wear the short alone, or even just the blazer, which is great. We have this print romper. Can we just take a minute to look at the print, how cute it is. Wow, oh my god. And it's short, loose fitted. This jumpsuit has a low cleavage, and it is nice to play with it because you could wear either a tank top, a lace cute bra, or just wear anything underneath. It's really comfortable, and the print, oh my god, the print is everything. I love it. I got this t-shirt, which is just a regular white t-shirt, but what I liked most about it was this. Oh my god, it is so cute, and I like myself like just a white basic t-shirt, round neck, that you could just wear with any types of skirt or underneath a good dress. For this one, I would totally see it with the cheetah skirt, just because of the colors of the babies, and then the cheetah skirt. I think it could look absolutely great. So that was for the clothing. Now for the accessories, I got the pearl bag, which is really trending this summer. I am so in love with it. It is so tiny and so cute, and like it's really a fun accessory to have in your wardrobe to add any kind of style to your outfit. It's so girly. I like it. I also got this fake diamond belt. Ooh, I am loving this. This is so cute. I really like the fact that it's all studded with fake diamond, which is so shiny, and you could really easily pair it with a pair of jeans or over a dress. Oh, I can see it easily pair over the gingham dress. Do you get the vibe? That's the vibe that I like. I also got this clear fanny pack, which is so cute. I really love the belt, and the trend of fanny pack is still strong for this summer, but also clear bags, like we're seeing major clear bags going on. Well, you can wear it over anything, but it's more like a casual bag, we could say, more for a festival or just for a random day. There's not so much space in it, but at least I could put like my cards, some money, keys, lipstick, and my cell phone, which is really tight to fit in it, but it's perfect. And I would pair it with over this, no, just to be a little more edgy. I could really see it, like a belt on it. Oh wow, I like it. With the white angel tank top. For the shoes, I got this pair of wedge sandal. Would it be really summer if I hadn't had any pair of wedge sandals? I don't know. But it's not hay, it's kind of a look-alike hay, and it's really like a typical summer shoes. Really comfortable. I really love them. I would probably pair it with the romper. These two together with a little black bag or black sunglasses. I think it could look absolutely cute. I got those strappy sandals, which we call the naked sandal, because your feet is like so out there, and I'm really liking them. They're not that much comfortable because of the stripe, and you know, you have to walk a certain way. I would probably pair them with the gingham girly dress, you know, staying in the same vibe as girly, or with the leopard skirt, because we all love white and leopard. I know for this video I didn't show any try on, just because I have a surprise for you guys tomorrow on my Instagram, which is the Black Coffee. I'm going to release a IGTV on how to style patterns for summer in collaboration with Forever 21. So make sure to check this out. But also on Wednesday we're going to have our regular how to style, but on different types of patterns such as gingham, leopard, plaid, and stripes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see each other in my next video. Bye guys.